You check your mirrors, check your blind spot, release your handbrake, and off you go. What's that? What's that noise? What's happening? With modern cars, there's lots of warning lights and warning sounds that might appear when you're driving. But what do these mean? They could completely throw you off on your driving test, or when they appear for the first time after your test. So in this video I'm going to go through some of the most common beeps and warning symbols the car will give you. So as you pull away, you may feel the car's heavy and is struggling to pull away a bit. That's because that beep is the handbrake's not fully released. There is also a symbol on the dashboard that will tell you the handbrake is still on. So you've pulled away. Don't know if you notice this light's on. What's that noise? So your door's partially open. There's also a warning light on the dashboard. So it's a cold winter's morning and you get in your car and then look to start up the engine. And you get that beeping noise. So that's a frost warning. You'll also notice a symbol on the dashboard. So basically when the temperature gets about 4 degrees or lower, modern cars will warn you there's a high risk of frost or ice on the road. So I've just turned around, but I'm still on the very quiet, deserted road. So let's see if you notice what the problem is here, what's going to cause the car to beep. What's that noise? It's your seat belt. Has that ever happened to you on your driving lessons? You can be so focused on your driving, you might forget something as simple as a seat belt. Of course, your driving instructor should be aware of that, but do bear in mind it is your legal responsibility to make sure you've got your own seat belt on. So the instructor wouldn't get in trouble for you not wearing a seat belt. That's your own responsibility. You may also not be aware, if you had a big bag of shopping on your passenger seat, the weight of maybe a small child, the car's going to think that someone's sitting in that seat. And if the seatbelt's not on, the car's going to beep at you saying, why has your passenger not got a seatbelt on? So if you do have a big bag of shopping on the seat, best thing to do is put the seatbelt on the passenger seat to stop it beeping. Or avoid putting heavy things on the seats, as they do have weight sensors in them.